So if you are in USDA zones 9 through 11, there's a lot to be thinking about this month. So let's boil it down to our three things that we are doing this month in USDA zones 9 through 11. First of all, we are amending and fertilizing in our food forest right now. You are in prime time, and I've got that whole list of the amendments, fertilizers, foliar sprays that I use in Patreon. You can just click on that post, quick reference those. I do not make a kickback from those. Those are just the links that I use. So you're doing foliar sprays right now. So think of fish emulsion, sea kelp, basic H. You're doing compost, tea fertilizers, worm casting, as your foliar sprays. I'm going gung-ho now. We're just getting past that last frost dates. The 30-day forecast is looking great. It's all above 45 degrees. So I'm fertilizing everything. So right now, the first and foremost, get in that food forest. And if you're in Florida, you know it was a brutal, brutal winter. And those fruit trees, those berry bushes, they need the extra help right now to rebound coming into the next growing season. Item number 2 that I would be thinking about this month, if I can only do 3 things in zones 9 through 11, is pasture management and getting my field planting started. So there are so many things that you can be planting right now in the pastures. I like to do the mixes that are already done, whether you're using greencovercrops.com or whatever it is, or Hancock Seed Company. I look for a mix that has like no less than 5. I mean, even that's really low. I like to look for like 10 or 12 things that are in that seed mix. But I'm planting almost everything right now. The only thing that I'm not planting right now, behind chicken tractors, throwing behind, livestock in general, I'm not doing my sun hemp yet. I want to wait till April 1st to drill in any sun hemp or plant that, because that really needs the evening temps to always be consistently above 50 degrees. It gets real mad if you don't wait quite long enough. But if you haven't ordered your sun hemp, there may still be some left. A lot of seed companies run out of it because it is incredible for cattle, for livestock, for goats, for sheep, for horses, you name it. Even for fields that are in rest. I mean, man, that is like the one thing I'd be planting in those fields. So the second thing we're doing is pasture management and field planting. And if you can, consider resting one of your pastures. Every year, you should be resting one pasture. And I'm talking no grazing, no rotating. You're just letting it rest. Now, yes, plant a bean, a pea, a legume. Plant that sun hemp. Plant cow peas or field peas. Definitely plant those nitrogen fixers in the field. Let it rest for a year. If you can't, or won't is a better word, if you won't give up an entire pasture for whatever reason that is, consider this. Section off a pasture. Take some hot wire, run it down, 20 feet or 30 feet out from a fence, and rest a section of it. Rest a corner of the pasture and section off that one corner for the year and just let it rest. Your pastures will thank you. I know it's hard to think about in the short term, but in the long term, you will have more abundance. You'll have healthier soil, and healthier soil means healthier pastures. Healthier pastures mean healthier animals and livestock, which also goes into your body. So the third thing that I would be doing this month is ordering my spring compost and wood chips if you haven't done it yet. People right now are doing tree trimming. They're getting things cleaned up for the growing season. These tree trimming companies are going crazy right now. You go down the side of the roads and they're cleaning out under the power lines. There are so many wood chips available right now. I would say get that ordered. If you're not doing it on Chip Drop or you're not buying it from a company, then just drive up to a tree trimming company. If they're mulching in the back of their truck and throwing it in, pull up next to the truck and go, hey, I got $50 cash I'll give you if you bring that to my house when you're done. They will almost always do it. Do not be a cheapskate. Give them $50, give them $75, because here's the reality. If you order wood chips right now, a dump truck from a company, you're going to be paying $500 to $800, depending on where you are and what kind of wood chips, for a dump truck of wood chips. So give them 50 to 80 bucks. Like, don't be a cheapskate. Get the good stuff, get it delivered to your house, and you'll be super happy and good to go. So again, those 3 things we're doing in zones 9 through 11, amending and fertilizing in the food forest. We're doing our foliar sprays. Number 2, we're doing pasture management and field planting. And number 3, we are ordering our spring compost and wood chips and start applying now.